Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bacon girl in DTI. First, navigate to the hair section and select the iconic bacon hairstyle. This is crucial for the authentic look. Next, head over to the face options and pick a basic, default face. You want to keep it as simple as possible to capture that classic aesthetic. Moving on to the clothing, you'll want to find the basic white t-shirt. This is a staple for the Bacon Girl avatar. Make sure to select it from the tops category. It's important that no other accessories or overlays are applied to the torso. Keep it clean and simple to maintain the default appearance. Now let's focus on the bottom half of the avatar. Head to the pants section and choose the default blue jeans. These are easily identifiable and a key part of the classic Bacon Girl style. Remember to avoid adding any leg accessories, such as socks or shoes, to keep the look consistent and true to its origins. Finally, to complete your Bacon Girl avatar, ensure all other accessory slots are empty. This includes hats, glasses, shoulder items, and back items. Double-check that your avatar has a completely plain and default appearance. This method ensures you achieve the iconic Bacon Girl look in DTI, staying true to its simple, recognizable style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.